people are falling prey to online financial fraud. Online frauds are rapidly on the rise, with scammers using technology to invent new tools and methods to dupe people. Now, a report by The Guardian has revealed how 76,000 fake websites that pretended to be designer shops online scammed lakhs of people worldwide. These phony websites masquerading as online designer stores have duped more than 8 lakh people. They fell prey to one of the biggest frauds of its kind, which involved tricking them into giving the bogus shop network their card data and other personal information. As per the report, these scammers operated on a large scale in a highly organized and technically savvy setup. Majority of these people dupe are in the United States and Europe. Customers have shared their email addresses, debit and credit card details, including their 3-digit security number with these websites, along with their names, phone numbers, email and postal addresses. Now, how did these online fraudsters con people? According to The Guardian, programmers created phony websites offering deals on high-end brands like Versace, Dior, Nike, Lacoste, Hugo Boss and Prada as the first step in this fraud. The first bogus website used in the scheme was made in 2015. These web pages appeared to have been released in English, in German, French, Spanish, Swedish and Italian. The websites appear to have been set up to lure shoppers into parting with money and sensitive personal data. The sites have no connection to these brands that they claim to sell, and in most cases, consumers who spoke about their experience said that they received no items. Reports indicate that not every payment made on these websites was correctly completed. However, during that time, the group was able to make roughly 50 million euros or about 45 lakh rupees. Now the needle of suspicion for this major online scam is on China. The network reportedly originated in Fujian province of China, and a data analysis by The Guardian reveals that many of the IP addresses can actually be traced back to China and some to the Fujian cities of Fujian and Fuzhou. Individuals were hired as developers and data harvesters and paid salaries through these Chinese banks. There were also 3 templates for employment contracts where the employer was actually listed as Fuzhou Zhongqing Network Technology Co. Limited. The contract set out strict working conditions. The employee is given a performance score and can increase their salary with a higher ranking. These employees are then judged on whether they refrain from playing video games, watching movies, or sleeping while at work. And if staff are sick or take a holiday, their salary was reduced for days missed unless they work overtime. Well, in today's times, when people of all age groups, whether young professionals or older generation, are repeatedly falling victims to cyber criminals while losing huge amounts of money, it is very important to be careful and mindful of taking precautions and being extra vigilant. The promise of quick financial gains has lured many into the web of deception. Therefore, protect yourself by following these basic tips. First, don't share personal details, card credentials, or your OTP, PIN, CVV with anyone or to any unsolicited call. Pause and think before responding or reacting to anything that sounds too good to be true. And then finally, use your bank's official website or helpline to check and redeem award points safely. Hopefully, vigilance and awareness helps in navigating this ever-changing digital landscape and protects individuals from falling prey to these sophisticated scams.